the channel Easy Drawing with Mom, and today we are going to draw something very simple and very cute. It's Peppa Pig. Look, it's very easy. At first we should draw the head of this piggy. Let's draw the circle. This is nose. Then we draw the line like this. And connect. Then we're going to draw 2 circles, the eyes of the Peppa Pig, then ears, 2 cute ears, smile, and the cheek. Look, the head of the pig is ready. Then we are going to draw the dress. A red dress of the Peppa Pig. 2 legs and 2 feet. And hands, 2 arms and hands. Okay, and our pig should have what? Of course, the tail. Okay. Wow, it's done, but I want to draw something else. It's the song. With sound rays and clouds. Boom! Very easy. Okay, let's color it. I will use a red one for the dress. Pam, pam, pam. Very beautiful color. This red one. You can color it with markers or with pencils, with paint. It doesn't matter. Okay, then we use a pink one for the color of the body. Okay, let's color. Everything, but not eyes. I will switch my marker to the other side, where I have a thin side, I mean. Okay. The cheek. Smile. And the tail should be colored as well. Where is my black one? Here. I will color the shoes of Peppa. Also, I would like add some grass here. Yellow sun. And I would like to use the light blue and a bit of blue around the cloud. We leave the cloud white and just color around the cloud with light blue. A little bit, like this. It's done, our Peppa Pig. Press like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be waiting for you on my next lessons. See you!